Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy Christmas star ornaments. And it's only 3 rows and you can make these in 5 minutes. You can use any size yarn that you like. I'm going to demonstrate with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. So you're going to start with a slip knot. And you're going to chain 5 and then slip stitch to join and form a ring. And there's the ring. Chain 5 and then single crochet in the ring. And you're going to repeat that to form 5 loops in the ring. Like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the ring. Okay, so make 5 loops in the ring. There you go, I have 5 loops in the ring. Now in each loop you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 more single crochet in the same loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. And you're going to repeat that in every loop. 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 more single crochet in the same loop. Like that. And that's it. You just do that all the way around. And then you could add some sparkly things. These are rhinestones that I got at the dollar store. And I have some here on this star. You can see I put pearls on the points and one in the center. And then I put some rhinestones all around the center pearl. And you can add a hanger. I'm just going to add a glitter stem. I'm going to pass that through. And then add a little bow at the top like this. You could either put it on with a glitter stem or glue it on. And that's it. That's how easy it is. These were made with homespun yarn, so they turn out thicker. So there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet some star ornaments for the Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.